What kind of robots do you want to build?
For example, if you need someone, let's say, want to build a house, you need a lot of men to do that.
Okay.
When you could just buy a robot to build the house for you in a week.
Won't you be taking away people's jobs? So on today's episode of the Early Coding Show, we're going to be showcasing a video game built by a young man and just talk about building games and how he's learned to build games and how this has helped him see the world differently and what he hopes to do in the future. So right now, I have with me Mr. PraiseGod. PraiseGod, welcome to the Early Coding Show.
Thank you, Teacher David.
All right, so please tell us your name and tell us how old you are.
Okay, my name is PraiseGod Kingsley and I'm 9 years old.
What class are you?
I'm in grade 5.
Okay, praise God, you're in grade 5, 9 years old. At what age did you start coding? Look at me.
I started coding like at the age of 4 or 5.
At the age of 4 or 5. So you've been coding for the last 5 years.
Yes.
How many languages do you program in right now? Or how many platforms can you use for programming?
I can use Code Combat, I can use Code.org, I can use Scratch, I can use Kodu.
Okay, you use Scratch, Kodu, Code Combat. In Code Combat, what language are you learning?
JavaScript, Python.
JavaScript and Python in Code Combat. All right, so but today, for today's show, you've built something. So tell us about what you built that you want to show us on this show.
Okay, I built a game called Chaser. There are 3 levels of this game. This is just the first level, where you have the 2 cannons, the red and the black.
Okay, so let's take a look at that.
Okay, this game is simply about 2 cannons trying to dodge the missiles, getting to the end of the game to go to the next level.
What did you use to build this game?
I used Kodu Game Lab.
Okay.
So there are obstacles that might stop you, like this cannon here. Its job is to try and shoot missiles. If it shoots a missile...
Which cannon?
This cannon.
Okay. The one over here?
Yes.
All right, so can you play the game? Let's see. Is it a single player game or 2 players?
2 players.
Oh, 2 player game. So I can play the game too?
Yes.
So what do I use to play the game? What do I use?
If you're black, you use the arrow keys. If you're red, you use WASD.
Okay, so I choose to be black since it's nearer to me. Can we go?
Yes.
Ooh. So I need to keep moving and dodging the cannons?
Yes.
Where am I going to?
You could pass in between here or here. But if
do I touch that object?
If I get the red apple, I actually get eaten by the apple.
Oh, so I should avoid the apple.
Like this.
What about the green apple?
The green apple gives you lives.
Oh, really? So, but where is the destination? Where am I going to?
To those pipes over there.
To the end of the road?
Yes. Then you move to the second level.
Oh, there's a second level.
Now this second level is about a cycle. You're the cycle, I am Kudu. I have to try and shoot a missile at you.
So where am I? Okay, I'm the cycle.
Yes.
Ooh. Am I moving?
Yes, you're actually just moving to different directions.
Oh, okay.
Now there's actually a finish line over here.
Maybe I'm not good at this game yet.
But let me go to the finish line to speed things up.
Okay. Well, that's a very big world over there.
Yes. But to speed things up, I go to the pipe.
Okay, so this is level 3?
This is the last level.
Okay.
Where you're Kodu, I am Rover. So my job is to get to the finish line before you and try not to get hit by your missiles. You use K to activate a missile, and I use C to jump.
So what inspired this game? I want to know.
Okay, so what inspired this game is there are so many racing games out there that are not like this type. This type is a special type of game that houses are shooting missiles. There are different players that can shoot missiles, and this game is very different from some other games because of the house is shooting missiles. That's what makes my game different from people's games.
So what do you intend to do with your skill as a programmer as you grow up?
Okay, as I grow up, I would like to make more games, maybe make robots that could help in future time.
What kind of robots do you want to build?
For example, if you need someone, let's say, want to build a house, you need a lot of men to do that.
Okay.
When you could just buy a robot to build the house for you in a week.
Won't you be taking away people's jobs? Have you thought about that?
No.
You just want it to be more effective. Robots build faster. In a week, your house is done.
Yes.
Have you heard of a technology called 3D printing?
Yes.
Okay. You could actually 3D print a house. So instead of building blocks with regular mold, you actually you just print out the blocks, and so you can mass produce blocks and get it done in a week too.
Okay.
So that should be something you want to check out and you want to take a look at.
Yes.
What else have you built apart from this game?
Okay, I'm actually trying to build another game. It's actually a baseball game on Scratch that you're supposed to get the baseball and at the same time get some gems to improve your gems. As in, there's a score for you if you get the ball, and there's also a part for gems. So that's actually the game I'm trying to create.
Interesting. So what would you want to learn in the near future as a programmer?
Okay, what I would like to learn. Not yet sure.
You're not yet sure. What do you want to study? What do you want to be? What do you want to do in the future? Do you know?
I really want to be a programmer in the future.
You want to be a programmer?
Yes.
Who has built something that you love? What app do you love? What's your favorite app out there in the world?
I love car games.
Oh, so it's gaming. Gaming inspires you. So you want to build games for a living.
Yes.
Then we should be getting you an internship with one of the game development companies out there in the world. So probably be talking to some of the game builders, maybe EA Sports, maybe Konami, whoever is out there building games. You have a budding game developer coming up, and we want to create opportunities for him to learn and explore his skills and probably intern on some big projects. So we have PraiseGod here. He's just 9, and he's available. He's just in grade 5. He can start working from home and learning to build games. So if you have opportunities for PraiseGod, we'll be happy for you to connect us to them. And that's actually why we're running the Early Coding Show, to showcase and present to you the talents and the creatives of these young innovators of the future. Thank you for watching today's episode, and we hope to see you again on subsequent episodes. Thank you.